What is one thing which stops us actually achieving our goals? Do you know that in the world, what is the one thing that actually stops us achieving our goals? What is one thing that stops everybody for that matter?
Taking action.
Taking action, self-doubt,
Procrastination.
procrastination. Okay?
Now you're looking at me.
The
Background.
master.
Background.
No background. Okay. Okay. Belief system. You know what stops us
Lack of motivation.
in getting us from our goal? This. Nobody knows us. Nobody knows us. In this room, people know each other because we have met. Otherwise, who is Rakesh? Yeah? The biggest problem in the world today is not the lack of ideas, it is the obscurity. And this I have learned hard way. When I was in one of the company in Pune, then my boss used to be in US. So my boss used to say, I was one of the top performer in that company with respect to my function and goals and everything. That's the way. You don't have visibility, Rakesh. What are you doing? I said, what do you mean by that? Nobody knows you. And I was working in another company in Mumbai where visibility means a lot of noise. Right? Means you have to first create the problem, show that problem, then solve that problem, and tell everybody you solved that problem. That was the visibility. So there are two kinds of visibility were there, and both in my opinion were the obscurity because one is not founded on the credibility, the second was never there.